am showing my soldering iron, the solder lead, not sticking to the tip. So I'm going to replace the new solder tip. See videos how easily remove solder tip cover. Since already done replacing new solder tip, let's try it out now. If it melts or stick to solder tip we installed. Wow, looks so good now. Like new, very nice. Melts so fast, on stick on tip now. We're now soldering on board. As you can see, the solder tip is functional very well. I hope this videos understand to other viewers on how to. Thank you very much for watching the video.